It's the swap meet flip, and we have another table full of stuff that sold in the past couple of days. And let's get started in showing you what actually flipped. Starts with this item. This is a 3M Denibbling Tool. I don't even know what that is, but it didn't come with a charger or a tip. But I still asked how much it was. It was $2, and so I paid for it, and we actually flipped it for $15. That's 7.5 times its value. Then we have another tool. It's tool, the Lateralus CD. This is an HD CD high resolution disc. Bought it for pretty much $1.50 because it was with another item, and it sold for $20. So that's a really good flip. Next item on the list is this Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion vinyl record. This is their W.A.P record, and I bought it for a couple of dollars, and it sold for $29.99. That was a great flip. That's 15. What is that? That's 15 times what we bought it for. The next one is this. This is a Yamaha GE5 10-band graphic equalizer. I had high hopes for this because electronics I'm pretty aware of, and I know all about it, but this time, this one I couldn't make it work. The unit was playing, but the sliders, when you move it, it wasn't responding to anything. So now I had to sell it for parts or repair, and we didn't make that much, but we did still sell it for a profit. I went from $15, which I bought it for, to $35. We at least doubled our money, but unfortunately, this was my flop of the day. The next one is something I'm really happy about. This was bought for $1. This is a Ghost Hunters Jason Hawes figurine. It's kind of like a bobblehead, I think it is, but I didn't take it out of the package. So it was $1, so there's really nothing to lose on it. And this sold within the past couple of days for $59.99. That's crazy. All right, the next item is this Alesis Wedge MIDI reverb unit. This is used for recording and stuff like that. It didn't come with a power supply. But it did come with a manual. Usually when it comes with a manual, it's great because it increases the value, but the power supply is really difficult to find. So I had to also sell this one for parts or repair. I bought this for $12, and it sold for $70. So that's an awesome flip. And then this item, this is a TrolMaster HS1 humidistat station. It's a control unit for controlling environments for growing stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah, growing the good stuff. But anyway, this is brand new, but the box was ripped. It's okay. Sold it as an open box item. Bought this for $7, and it sold for a whopping $85. Crazy. Anyway, yeah, that is the sale within the past couple of days. This was a really profitable, good flip for what, 7 items here. Right when we just wrapped up everything, this rung the eBay bell, which says it's sold. This is a EMU MoPhatt Synth. This is used to create some sound effects for a lot of the musicians and things like that. Whoever likes to make all kinds of different sounds, but this just came in and I bought this for $5. It is crazy. I bought this for $5 and it sold for $234. Holy moly. So that adds up to what we had previously. In total, we spent $45.50 and we sold everything for $548.98. Oh my goodness, that is freaking fantastic. I hope you guys liked that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and join the channel. That's the Swap Meet Flip Challenge. Please join the channel so I can show you more, alright? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.